Okay, here's my Xbox. Let's power it on. The nostalgia. Alright, let's put it in the disc. For this one, I'll be using GTA San Andreas. Let's pop it open. Here we go. Alright, let's pop the disc into the console. Huh. I have an idea. Let's use our trusty friend, the paperclip. First, press the eject button. Then, stick the paperclip into the hole. Didn't work the first time. Let's try it again. There we go. Now I just grab the disc and put that bad boy in. Alright. And it should start up in 3, 2, 1. And boom. There we go. And that is how you fix the problem with your disc tray not opening. Bye-bye.